Hi Shoebox friends, this is Val. Today I have an unboxing of a different kind of box that I packed. I call it a friendship box. I try to pack at least one of these every year. It's a box where I include 2 of every item that I pack. And I include a note to the child, and I just tell the child that these are definitely his or her gifts and they are for him or her. But if they choose to, since there are 2 of everything, they can share some or all of the items if they wish with a friend or a sibling or a neighbor or a cousin or other family member or a special person in their life. And a couple of years ago, I shared one of these boxes on, I'm not sure, I think it was a Facebook shoebox packing group, and Operation Christmas Child responded, and they commented that it was a special idea because not only does it give the child tangible gifts, but it also gives the child the gift of being able to give a gift themselves. And so let me show you what I packed in my friendship box. This is for a boy in the age range of 2 to 4. And packing these boxes, you have to be really strategic because you are putting 2 of every item in. And I even used this plastic OCC box, which these are kind of difficult for me to pack anyway because they've got a little different shape and they're narrower on the bottom, and sometimes I have a hard time finding room to pack just one of everything that I want to pack in a shoebox. So when he opens his box, he will see that I decorated the lid just with some foam stickers. I got these at Hobby Lobby. They're Playside Creations. They are just children of the world, different children of the world, all in line. Looks like they're holding hands. I placed them so it looks like they're holding hands. And this little foam sticker right here says, Jesus loves the little children. So that is right inside his lid. And so, speaking of friendship and sharing, my friend Denise, her channel is D Rogers. She sent me a package of extra special goodies, some things she made, some extra things she had, and I had mentioned to her that I was really having a hard time finding some boys' clothing at a good clearance price. And so amongst all the goodies that she shared with me in this box that she sent some boys' clothing. So once again, Denise, I thank you. I really value your friendship. It's so fun keeping up with you online and sharing our thoughts and our resources. I just love it, and I hope you do too, and I hope you don't mind me mentioning you again. So she sent me these shirts. These are boys shirts, size 4-5, Wonder Nation, and she sent me 2 of them, so perfect for my little boy's friendship box. So that is the clothing item that I've included. I've included 2 little coloring play packs. I've included 2 bandanas. This one's a light blue, this one's red. These little play packs have 4 crayons in them, and I couldn't really fit big boxes of crayons in this box, certainly not 2 of them. But another item, I had a couple sets of these, and then Denise had sent me some more. So I thought how perfect for this box to include these shaped crayons. They are in the shape of dolphins. I just love those. So that is extra crayons for these little boys. I have 2 toothbrushes. These are small. I needed, they're small because they fold up. They're like travel toothbrushes, but they unfold into like a full-size toothbrush. And I got these at Five Below. So 2 toothbrushes, 2 little hygiene packets here with soap and just a small comb, a couple of Band-Aids, and then I stuck a couple of little Christmas tree erasers in these bags. 2 pair of scissors, 2 pencil sharpeners, and I don't include pencil top erasers in my little boy or little girl boxes, but I do have some bigger Christmas pencil top erasers in here. One's a snowman, and actually I think I just have one eraser in each of the pencil sharpeners. They're bigger. They're pencil toppers, but they're bigger erasers. I have 2 packets of Ticonderoga jumbo pencils. I left these in the packaging, although I cut the packaging way down. But I left them in the packaging because they're pre-sharpened and just to protect the lead. I have 2 red pens. Reds are the only ones that I had that were click pens because I don't want to send pens with a pen cap. Don't want to send anything that could be a choking hazard. So I also have a couple of novelty pencils. These are Toy Story. I have 2 stuffies that are pretty much the same. They're a little different. They're Pooh Bear. This Pooh Bear has, it says Pooh on his sweater, and there are reindeer on his little knitted sweater there. And he has a Santa hat, a Christmas cap on. This one doesn't have a hat, but it does have a little knitted sweater, and it has a little snowflake on it. So those are the 2 stuffies, one for this little boy, and one to share if he chooses to do so. I have these 2 little cars. These are, I got these on clearance at Walmart. These are Blippi mobiles. So 2 little cars. I've got these extra little coloring books, little coloring pads, Paw Patrol. So I've got 2 of those. Since I don't have big coloring books in here, I have the activity pack and then the smaller coloring book. I have 2 cross necklaces that I get from Hobby Lobby. I have 2 pencil pouches. I didn't put the school supplies in the pouches. It was easier to pack by just putting them loosely in the box, but I have included the 2 pencil pouches. I have 2 paper pads. These paper pads have stickers tucked inside, a few sheets of stickers. And then these paper pads are great from Michael's because they have the lines for writing and the space above for drawing and sticking their stickers. So I've got 2 of those. I've got 2 from Playside Creations at Hobby Lobby, 2 little mini beach balls. Also from Playside Creations, I have these 2, just these 2 whistles. I've got these 2, I don't remember where I got these, it might have been Dollar Tree. but these two little building block type puzzle pieces, that snap together. It came 3 in a pack, and so I packed 2 of these. So I think a little boy will have some fun taking this apart and putting it back together, and they can be built, into like cube shaped, so he can make little boxes. He can just build with them and learn his numbers because they have numbers on them. I have 2 washcloths, 2 red washcloths, because I didn't have a coloring book, a larger coloring book in the box for each child, one for him, one to share. I just included some Blue's Clues giant coloring sheets. I got a big pad of these on clearance at Walmart the other day. There were like 18 sheets, so I have like 4 here folded up and included. I need to add, I just noticed I only have 1 of each of these. This is a little 4-inch ruler that has inches and the metric system. I accidentally bought these at the dollar spot in Target. They're very cute. They're rulers shaped like animals. They're adorable, but they only have inches. So I'm always sure when I pack these, they can be kind of fun because they are a straight edge and they are shaped like an animal. I always pack another little ruler that has the metric system on it. And then I just included a photo of my family with my note to the child. I put it on the back and I laminated the whole thing. And I explained on the note about how there's 2 of everything and he could share if he wishes. And that is my friendship box. And this is my cat Milo. And so thanks for tuning in. As always, I hope you like, subscribe, and share your thoughts. Bye for now.